Good morning students. Now start with next topic, preparation of alkene. First, from alkyne. Alkyne means triple bond present between two or more carbon atoms. Triple bond. Suppose we take an example, CH, triple bond CH reacts with dihydrogen in presence of nickel platinum palladium barium sulfate. Clear? According to heterolytic fission, one bond dissociate and here single bond present between hydrogen. One hydrogen attack on this carbon and another hydrogen attack on this carbon and gives the formation of CS2 double bond CS2. According to IUPAC, its name ethine and its name ethene. This reaction is known as hydrogenation reaction. Reaction is known as hydrogenation reaction, also known as Sabatier reaction. Also known as Sabatier reaction. Clear? Second, from haloalkane. It is also known as alkyl halide. This reaction follow the process of elimination reaction. Elimination reaction. Clear? Haloalkane means example CS3, CS2, Br. Haloalkane. IUPAC, bromo, ethane. Reacts with alcoholic KOH in presence of concentrated H2SO4. According to bonding, 3 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, single bond Br reacts with KOH. Bond cleavage, charge on K positive, charge on OH negative, charge on Br negative, charge on H positive. This K positive and Br negative combine and release some molecule of KBr. Second, from here H positive and OH negative combine and release some molecule of H2O. This half and this half make here double bond and gives the formation of ethene. CS2 double bond CH2. Its name ethene. Clear? Reaction follow elimination process, convert single bond to double and double to triple. Next, from alcohol, also follow process of elimination reaction. Example CS3, CS2OH directly pass through concentrated H2SO4. According to bondings, H, 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 1 OH. This H and this OH combine and release some molecule of H2O. Gives the formation of unsaturated hydrocarbon, double bond containing carbon, and its name is ethene. Clear? This reaction follow the process of elimination reaction and particular name is dehydration of alcohol, also known as Sazaf rule. Also known as Sazaf rule. Clear? Preparation of alkene from alkyne, from haloalkane, from alcohol, and last one from vicinal dihalide. Means a single carbon chain containing 2 halogen reacts with zinc in presence of methanol and heat. Clean cleavage from here, zinc combined with bromine release ZnBr2 and gives the formation of CS2 double bond CH2. This naming 1,2 dibromo ethane to ethene. Clear? These are the preparations of alkene. In next class we discuss about the chemical properties of alkene. Thank you, students.